very cohesive report, the annual report or for the year 2012. Congratulations, Madam Leonida Manuel, and to those officers for the year 2012, may I request po magsitayo po kayo. Nasaan po ba ating mga officers for the year 2012? Palakpakan po natin sila for this very great achievement. Well, nakaka-inspire po talaga, di ba? So, tanungin ko po kayo, how does it feel to be a member or officer or the part of this very prestigious and respected organization na kagaya po ng COMSOFIL? Ano po bang pakiramdam?
Fulfilling.
Yes, fulfilling. Exactly, that's the right word. Di ba no, na miyembro kayo ng isang ganitong prestigyoso at ginagalang na organisasyon na hindi lang po ang sarili ninyo ang inyong napaunlad, kundi marami pa po nating mga kababayan OFWs dito sa Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Again, isa pa pong palakpakan! Congratulations, COMSOFIL. Actually, nga po kanina, I was talking to Madam President and to Mr. Doming Heras. Sabi ko po yung 1 year na term is not enough. Kasi parang nando pa lang, nag-start pa lang kayong mag-make ng inyong organizations, tapos ba parang saglit lang papalitan na. Sabi ko siguro at least 2 years na term. Kasi may naiiwan pang mga proyekto, para siguro mas marami pang magagawa. Para sa akin, bitin yung 1 year. So, that's only my own opinion. So, yun lang po ang sinasabi ko. Pero sa mga pinapakita po ng mga officers na kanilang super na suporta po na taus-puso pong pagsuporta sa COMSOFIL, talaga pong nakakabilib and nakakahanga. And for your information, everyone, I'm very proud po na ako po ay naging part din ng COMSOFIL and my husband, Edgardo Abitona. Kami po ay naging officers during the active chairmanship of Mr. Edwin Lavin. So, kami tayo kapamilya ninyo at kapuso. Anyway, now let's go on with our program. And this time, the awarding of flags of appreciation to outgoing officers and Board of Directors for the year 2012. So once again, I'm requesting the presence on stage of our outgoing President, Madam Leonida A. Manuel, to be assisted by our guest of honor for tonight, Consul Red Denotira.